This is the Rex drop. I've got micron, 3, 1, and 0.5. I just use this as a point of reference, but if I'm stropping, the easy way to tell if you have the angle is you just tilt up and you push until you catch, and that's your angle. Drop it a little bit. Start at the tip. 1. And you can feel the bite come back with your thumb. Strop. Strop. And this one's already sharp, so I don't really have to do it. And some other guys will do this, like, they'll do a little curl to get the tip better if it's a big clip point or a drop point. But little to no pressure at all.